Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at the Purewell water filter. This episode is made possible in part by generous supporters on Patreon. Then there's a short piece of tubing that fits on the output of the filter. The tubing connects to the bottom of the filter. There's a pre-filter that sits in the water source. It comes with two floats that fit over the tubing. With a nice clip that snaps on the tubing. And the little clip is really nice for keeping the clean water tubing from coming out of the clean water glass. The little portable water filter kit comes with a cloth bag, little instructions, and extra filters. The spare filter that comes with the kit fits inside the pre-filter. There's a really nice gasket seal around the cap that contains the pre-filter. It has a simple hand pump for operation. The tubing is food safe. It's quite flexible. The only thing I saw that you'd have to watch is with the source tubing. It's a little bit long, which is good because that lets you get the filter quite a distance from your water source. In some cases, the tubing was very easy to bend and would block the flow of the water. One kind of cool thing is on the top of the filter, there's a very large compass. It filters out particulates, bacteria, and protozoa down to 0.01 microns, and that includes giardia, salmonella, and cryptosporidia. The lifetime of the filter is 3,000 liters, and it filters about 1,400 milliliters of water a minute, maximum. To give you an idea of size, the main unit is 6.5 inches long and 3 5/8 inches wide. And side to side it's about 1 7/8 inches. The pump handle is convenient for packing because it slips over the unit, and then the drinking cup fits over the top. One thing that I will probably do is get 2 Ziploc baggies, one for the clean water tubing and one for the source water tubing, so that those can be packed away separate from each other. The entire kit together weighs 14 ounces. This is the second review in a series we're doing on water filtration, on making drinking water safe. In the series, we're looking at a variety of the different types of water filters, so you can see the different types available: passive, hand pump, or electric, as well as the filtration they provide. Let us know what you think in the comments below as we go through these different products in this series. And at the end of the series, we'll do a comparison of the filters that we've reviewed. Thanks for watching, Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.